Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can challenge the eFootball League in eFootball 2024. So you are going to play PvP, player versus player, and promote to the next stage or next tier. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the mission or objective, or you can challenge the event, so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap this one, dream team, tap it. And this one, eFootball League, play PvP matches to be promoted to the next division, tap. And this is the division 10, so you can tap the details here, learn the detail, like first time promotion reward. This is reward for you if you are proceed to the next division, and this is the reward also. You can tap it. And this is, you can think about your game plan, make a strategy here. Let's get back. And this is match history, and also this is matchmaking setting, so you can gradually increase search data or search nearby area only here. And if you're ready, you can tap the match. Before we do that, tap the ranking. This is the ranking in your area or in your region. Just tap to the match if you want to play. And we found a player from South Africa here. Just tap the next, and make sure your connection or your data or your Wi-Fi is stable. So this is the eFootball League. Challenge yourself in this feature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.